Alrighty, Sharp Customs, Sunday afternoon, a little overcast, it's rained a few times, a little chilly here in southern Ontario. Obviously there's no snow. I thought for sure snow was coming today, but here we are with one of the 34 coupes. I haven't had a car out to, you like that, eh? You like how that just stays there, eh? Haven't had one out. Should have blew it off. I say we get right at it. The camera girl's a little chilly over there. She probably should have had a whiskey shot before we come over to warm her up her insides.
I did.
Oh, she did! Right on. I say I gotta pop the body off. I'm gonna hook up the electronics, fire it up, and I got this latch. Look at this latch, eh? It looks just like the like a T-handle on the back of a 34. That's gonna basically hold the body on. Set this here. She should be pretty much ready to go. Let's hook up our, let's bring it alive. We got steering, we got throttle, we got brake. Let's fire it up. She should fire right up, no problem. Whoa, look at it spitting out the two-stroke. See them tires? Watch them tires balloon up. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy, them tires ballooning up like that. Tells me they got a pretty soft compound. Here we go. Let's run it. It's a little wet. I thought this thing would do donuts like mad, but these tires are, they're pretty grippy. They're a little soft. I can see a little bit of, a little bit of body hop. I really wanted it to do donuts. I wanted a little bit more out of it. That could just be gear ratio. It's not much you can do with this engine. There's not much you can do with it. It's going to need a good cleaning. I can tell you that right now. But this thing handles so nice. The brakes work so good. I'm sure that its new owner, eventually, once it gets there, he's going to have a heyday with this. There's so much more you can do with this. Oh yeah, little butterflies they're still working. I wasn't sure if they were working. I'm going to fire it up and I'm going to take it for another little spin, and then we're going to wrap this video up because yeah, it's getting a little chilly here as the sun goes down. Hopefully I can start it. It's a little tricky getting in here to get the run the 34 again. And this thing runs awesome. It is so stable, I can't tip it over. Trust me, I tried. I tried to tip it over on its side. It's nice, it's stable. Everything stayed together this time. We didn't lose a wheel, obviously this time. Last time out with it, we lost a wheel. I wish it could do donuts. I wish it could do donuts. I don't know, maybe we'll bring it out again when it's a little drier. We'll find some, we'll find some sand, whatnot, and we'll get it to do some donuts. Don't worry about that. We will, one way or the other, we'll get it to do some donuts. It's got to do donuts. If it can't do donuts, then it's got to do wheelies. That's all I got to say. But there you have it. We'll keep it short. We'll keep it sweet. Sharp Customs. Share, like, subscribe. Thank you to all my regular subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. There's been many. Keep making those comments. I love to return comments. It's awesome. It's awesome. I love getting on there first thing in the morning, having my coffee, you know, replying to everybody's comments, good or bad, doesn't matter. But yeah, there you have it, man. Sharp Customs. You know the routine, man. Hit that notification bell, man. I love you all. Peace. I'm out.